Welcome back to this little bonus video where we'll take a look on how hand animation and gestures will take your character animation to the next level. Now, before we start animating, let's just take a look on how this hand is built. As you'll notice, all parts of the hand is grouped inside the same shape layer. The fingers themselves are simple paths with two stroke effects attached. That is, one for the fill and one for the outline. However, when you design the hand in Illustrator, you just need to make fingers with simple strokes, as we'll duplicate the second stroke here inside After Effects later on, like this. Okay, so the animation itself is very simple. We just need to snap a frame in each finger here. Then go 2 frames to the right and adjust the paths so the fingers touch the keyboard like this. Then go another 2 frames to the right and copy-paste the first frames to here. Ease the frames. And boom. Now we just need to duplicate and randomize the typing until it looks something like this. By the way, make sure the index finger is more active than the other fingers. Yes, if you look when you type yourself, you'll notice that the index finger is in fact more active than the other fingers. Now, to attach the typing hand to your character, you basically need to place the hand on top of the left hand layer. Parent it to the left hand and hide the left hand itself. Done. Now we just need to animate the exposition of the left hand in a random way, so the typing hand doesn't just keep on pushing the same keys. Much like we did on the typing hand, we just need to animate the index finger up and down, so snap a path frame in the index finger here. Go 2 frames to the right and drag the finger down like so. Then go another 2 frames to the right and copy-paste the first frame to here. Ease the frames and boom. Now, if we want to make the finger double-click, then simply copy-paste the click to the end like this. Done. And if we want to animate a click and hold, then simply copy-paste the frames again, delete the end frame, go to where you want the finger to release and copy-paste this frame to here. Go another 2 frames to the right and copy-paste the first frame to here, and voila! Now we just need to bring the hand into our scene. Parent it to the right hand layer. Hide the right hand itself. Delete the old mouse. Adjust the trim of the arm like this. Let's just trim the path of the left arm as well for the sake of symmetry. Now we just need to add some animation on the X position of the right hand layer, so it looks like the hand is working for real. An open hand gesture is great for talking. It's also simple to do. Just animate the fingers from open to closed between 4 frames like this. Adjust the animation of this cover-up layer so it covers the fingers at the right time. Let's also adjust the hand base layer. and animate a trim path effect to this inner hand stroke so it gradually appears like this. Perfect. Now import it to the main scene. Parent it to the right hand and adjust it like this. Now, duplicate the mouse hand layer, name it mouse, unparent it from the right hand layer, place it on top of the open hand and delete all the shapes except the mouse itself. Yep, the mouse is gonna stay put on the desk after the character lifts his hand. Trim all layers like this. Boom. Let's just add a slight rotation on this hand and we are done. Awesome. Now, when we transition to sleep, we only need to bend the fingers slightly inwards, like this. And adjust the position and rotation of the right hand like so. This is perhaps my favorite of all the gestures. Yes, you can use it on everything from a shy character to a scared one like ours. First, we'll copy the hands from here and go straight into our main scene like so. Adjust their position. Parent them to their corresponding hands. Trim the layers. Adjust the position of the hands like so. Now go 3 frames to the right and adjust the hands and fingers like this. Then go another 3 frames to the right and copy-paste the first frames to here. Ease the frames. And boom. Now we just need to duplicate this loop until the normal mark, and we are done with this gesture. First, we'll fold the index finger into the hands at the end here. Rotate the right hand back to 0 degrees, like this. Now, duplicate the mouse hand. Delete the mouse shape. Trim the layer to here. Snap path frames here. Then go to here. Set the opacity to around 50% and start matching the fingers to the nervous hand like this. Now, drag the opacity back up to 100%. Trim the layers like this. Ease in the frames at the end. Now, to avoid the hand covering the mouse, we simply need to drag this hand layer below the mouse layer. Duplicate it, drag it on top of the mouse layer, trim it, and delete all shapes except the thumb and thumb cover. Once the hand has settled, we can swap it to the regular mouse hand by doing the following. As for the keyboard hand, we just need to swap the hand on one frame like this. Ease out here and ease in there. I might as well do this course in my sleep.
The only way to do this is frame by frame.
The only way to do this is frame by frame.
Let's see if there's any good courses on photography.